Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer your Bitcoin from Coinbase to your personal wallet in 2025. With crypto regulations and security features evolving, it's crucial to move your assets to a private wallet for better control and protection against potential risks. Let's dive right in. First things first, why should you do this? A personal wallet gives you full ownership of your Bitcoin, reducing reliance on exchanges like Coinbase, which can be vulnerable to hacks. Before we start, ensure you have a compatible wallet set up. Options like Ledger, Trezor, or even software wallets like Exodus work great. Always double-check that your wallet is secure and backed up. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password, and enable two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Portfolio, section and select your Bitcoin. Step 2. Click on the Send or Withdraw button next to your Bitcoin balance. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Copy this directly from your personal wallet app to avoid any typos, as mistakes can lead to permanent loss. Step 3. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, Coinbase might charge a network fee, so check the estimated fees beforehand to avoid surprises. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm and verify with any required authentication. Step 4. Sit back and wait. Transfers usually take 10 to 30 minutes, depending on network congestion, but in 2025, with advancements like the Lightning Network, it could be even faster. Keep an eye on your personal wallet to confirm the arrival. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, Coinbase's support is helpful, but staying proactive is key. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.